have a sharp vertical milling machine. It is lot 19 in the auction. It's a 3 horsepower variable speed drive. I will run the spindle. We are currently in the high speed range, 500 to 4200 variable speed. I can speed it up or slow it down. This is faster. Hear it? You can get closer if you like. And then I bring it down. Here's the brake. The brake works. I'll go forward. We have our power feed engaged here. I have it on the high speed setting. And this is for the power quill feed. It engages. And you can see the power quill feed is feeding down. It's going to go to the kick out. Our quill feed is working. Off, brake. This is the digital readout over here. This is a Fagor 3-axis digital readout. X is on the table. I'm going to crank the table and you can see it's working. Y is the cross feed handle here. I'm going to crank that. You can see it's working. And on this mill, they made the Z-axis. They actually put a scale on the knee. So it has a readout on the knee. The vise is not included with this. It's a separate lot as lot 20 in the auction, but this is lot 19, the sharp vertical mill. Thank you.